everybody, how are you? I am Noresh and your teacher here and will be teaching you a different question and their answer. So I welcome you on classtheta.com where we'll be discussing questions. So let's get on the question. So our today question is all of the following individuals are going TDY to US installations. The can directs most of them to use government quarters or private lodgings, but which individuals is not required to stay in either government quarters or the private lodgings. Option A. Adults civilian apply at the non-ILP locations. Option B. A uniform numbers at a non-ILP location. Option C. A uniforms members at same ILP location. Option D. A DOD civil employee at an ILP location. The correct answer of the question is option A. A DOD civil employees at a non-ILP location. So that the answer of the question. If you are searching any other question, please visit www.classtheta.com and find on the search section. If you have any question to ask, there and all sessions on the right side of the website. Fill the form and will be answering. So you can thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. Until next question. Bye bye.